Here is lesson 35 for clarinet. We will play numbers 81 and 83. Alright, as always, you should have looked through it. By now, you should have found your key signature. That's always the first thing we look for. You've found your dynamics. You've practiced through it, and you're good to go. So, let's do it after I tell you about our one measure repeat sign. You should already know how that works because we have covered that, or because you've read through it and you read what it says, but you repeat the previous measure. So we play measure 1, C, D, E, C. Then we have that repeat sign. That means we play the first measure again. C, D, E, C. And then we go to the next measure. E, F, G, then repeat. E, F, G. Okay? Let's do it. 1, 2, ready. Did you notice I spaced my accents a little bit more? And of course I did the accents. Okay? When we play a general note, we have about 90% sound and 10% silence from tonguing. That's what I call standard articulation. When we play an accent, it's more 80% sound, 20% space. So we play a little bit louder, and we cut off just a hair earlier. So a little bit more space, but not much. Okay? Alright, while we're turning to 83, let me tell you about our code phrase. Our code phrase, found at the top of your page, is one measure repeat sign. Alright, you've already looked through 83 and you're good to go with that. You're aware of your dynamics. You're aware of your key signature, which for us right now there's nothing in it. Lucky us. Did you catch that? There is something, isn't there? There's a B flat. Okay, so make sure when we have any B's, we play them flat. Okay? Now, as you look through this piece, you realized there are no B flats in this piece. So why is there a flat in the key signature? The key is the cement. It's the basement, foundation, tone that the song is based off of. Okay? We don't have to have a flat in the music, or don't have to have a B in the music in order to have a B flat in the key signature. That will explain as we get into middle school. Okay? But always look at your key signature and be aware of it. Alright, here we go. 83. 1, 2, ready. Now you'll notice, I played 8 measures in one breath, right? Kind of. I did breathe after a second half note and that was it. But really it's kind of like 4 measures because this is 2-4. And we're used to doing 4 measure breaths in 4-4. So it should be very easy to get 8 measures here. Okay? That was lesson 35. Thanks for joining me.